So if you have a friend that lost their iPhone, there are several steps they can take to try to locate the phone. So if you also have an iPhone, they can use your iPhone and use the Find My app to try to locate it. So all they need to do is log in with their username and password. So open the Find My app on your iPhone, and then on the bottom right of the screen, select Me, and then tap the Help a Friend link. So this will take you to a website where they can sign in with their Apple ID and password. Once they log in, they should be able to see the last location on the map. A second thing you could do is if your friend thinks that the iPhone is nearby, they can use the Find My app to make it play a sound. It will still play a sound even if the iPhone is on silent mode. The third thing they can do is if they still can't find their phone, they could put the phone in lost mode. This will lock the iPhone and display a message with the contact number. So if anyone finds it, they should be able to contact them. The fourth thing that your friend can do is contact their carrier. If they have a mobile plan, they can contact their carrier and report the iPhone lost. The carrier may be able to help locate the iPhone or offer advice on what to do next. If your friend thinks the iPhone has been stolen, they should file a police report. The friend might have to provide the serial number or any information that they have. If the friend still can't find the iPhone, they need to consider remotely erasing the device to protect their personal information. They can do this by using the Find My app or contacting their carrier. If this advice helped you, please click the like button and also consider subscribing to my channel for future videos.